according to the PEMDAS and the order of operations. And for this problem, which contains more than one division, we must work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and at last this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. Okay, let's start solving the problem. First we do this division. We have 12 divided by 12 gives us 1. And our problem became 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. And we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 3. And this can be written as 1 over 3 divided by 3. And to do this division, we must drop down 1 over 3. Then change the division to multiplication. And finally flip the 3 to give 1 over 3, which gives us 1 over 9. And this was our final answer for our problem.